What if I told you the people learning AI right now could become the highest paid and most valuable professionals of the next decade? Not just software engineers, not just researchers, but students, creators, entrepreneurs, freelancers, even complete beginners. Because AI is changing everything. How we work, how we learn, how businesses operate, how software is built, how content is created, even how people make money online. And here's the crazy part. Most people still have no idea how to actually learn AI properly. They watch random tutorials, jump between tools, try learning everything at once, get overwhelmed, and quit. So in this video, I'll show you the complete AI roadmap for 2026. What skills actually matter? The fastest way to learn AI. The biggest mistakes beginners make. How to stand out in the AI era. And how ordinary people are building powerful careers using AI. Whether you're a student, a programmer, a creator, or someone completely new to tech, this video will help you understand exactly how to master AI in 2026. Let's begin.
The biggest AI misunderstanding.
One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking AI is one skill. AI is an ecosystem. And honestly, that's why so many beginners feel lost. Because when people say, learn AI, what does that even mean? AI includes machine learning, deep learning, prompt engineering, AI automation, AI apps, data science, computer vision, NLP, AI agents, robotics, generative AI, and much more. Trying to learn all of it immediately is impossible. And that's exactly why beginners burn out. So here's the first lesson. You do not need to master every AI field. You need to understand the landscape, choose a direction, and build deeply step by step. That changes everything.
The 3 levels of AI mastery.
Most people approach AI randomly. But AI mastery actually happens in levels. Level 1, AI user. This is where everyone should begin. At this stage, your goal is simple. Learn how to use AI effectively. This includes ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, AI image tools, AI video tools, AI productivity systems. Learn prompting, workflows, AI-assisted learning, content generation, productivity automation. Honestly, this level alone can already make you more productive than most people. And it's the fastest entry point into AI. Level 2, AI builder. This is where things become powerful. Instead of only using AI, you start building with it. This includes AI apps, AI chatbots, automations, SaaS tools, AI workflows, AI agents. Skills here include APIs, Python, no-code tools, automation platforms, prompt engineering. This is where many people start making money with AI. And honestly, this layer has huge opportunity right now. Level 3, AI engineer/researcher. This is the deeper technical level. Here you learn machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, model training, mathematics, research systems. This is where you build and optimize actual AI models. This level is harder, but also extremely valuable. Many beginners try jumping directly into advanced math and deep learning. That usually overwhelms them.
The best way to start learning AI.
If I were starting from zero in 2026, this is exactly what I would do. Step 1. Learn how AI actually works. Before tools. Before coding. Before hype. Understand the fundamentals. Learn what AI is. Machine learning. Neural networks. Deep learning. Generative AI. LLMs. AI agents. Not deeply yet, just enough to understand the ecosystem. This removes fear and confusion. Step 2. Learn prompt engineering. This is massively underrated. The ability to communicate effectively with AI is becoming a superpower. Learn role prompting, context prompting, structured prompting, chain prompting, workflow prompting. The people who communicate well with AI will have a huge advantage. Step 3. Learn Python. Python is still the king of AI. If you want to build seriously with AI, learn Python. Focus on variables, loops, functions, APIs, basic projects. Do not obsess over perfection. Build small things. Step 4. Start building projects. This is where real learning begins. Build AI chatbots, AI websites, AI automation tools, recommendation systems, image generators, productivity tools. Projects teach faster than endless tutorials. Always remember, tutorials feel productive. Projects create skills.
The biggest AI opportunities right now.
A lot of people ask, which AI skills will matter most? Here are some huge opportunities in 2026. AI automation. Businesses want to automate repetitive work. This includes emails, workflows, customer support, scheduling, reporting. This area is exploding. AI content creation. AI is transforming YouTube, blogging, design, video editing, marketing. Creators using AI effectively are growing incredibly fast. AI SaaS products. One person can now build products that once required teams. This is changing entrepreneurship forever. AI coding. AI-assisted programming is becoming normal. Developers who use AI effectively will move much faster. AI education. People are desperate to understand AI. Channels explaining AI simply are growing rapidly. This is a huge opportunity.
The biggest mistakes beginners make.
Mistake number 1. Trying to learn everything. This kills momentum. Pick one path first. Mistake number 2. Consuming without building. Watching tutorials all day feels productive. But real growth comes from creating projects. Mistake number 3. Fear of coding. A lot of beginners panic when they hear Python. Relax. You do not need to become a genius programmer immediately. Learn step by step. Mistake number 4. Chasing every new AI tool. New AI tools appear every week. Most won't matter long term. Fundamentals. Workflows. Real skills. Mistake number 5. Comparing yourself to experts. This is a huge one. You are seeing experts after years of learning. Focus on your progress.
How to stand out in the AI era.
AI will automate many tasks. But here's something important. The most valuable people won't just use AI. They'll combine AI with creativity, communication, strategy, leadership, problem solving. That combination becomes incredibly powerful. So, don't only learn tools. Also improve communication,
storytelling,
critical thinking, creativity, business understanding. Those skills become more important in the AI era, not less.
What the future might look like.
Honestly,
I think we are still very early in AI.
the next decade could completely transform
Jobs,
education, software, healthcare, business, creativity, and people who understand AI early may gain enormous advantages. Not because AI replaces humans, but because AI amplifies humans. The people who learn how to work with AI will move faster than ever before. AI is becoming one of the most important skills of this generation. And honestly, the people learning it today are preparing themselves for the future. If this video helped you,
subscribe.
and comment below. What part of AI are you most interested in learning? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.